guys, it's your girl Charisma Black. If you're new to my channel, kindly subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, what it again, welcome honeys. We're back at it again. It's Monday, late afternoon, 5 o'clock, 11th of December. We're at the gym again. This is going to be our lifestyle. Y'all need to get used to the fact that at least you will have one session of gym in my vlogs, because this is becoming my life right now. Okay, so hopefully you guys enjoy. Kindly like, subscribe, and engage, right? And let's gym together. Hey you guys, I just got out of the gym. It's drizzling right now. I'm gonna run to the room right now quickly and see you guys. Hey, morning with Alan. So bad. So guys, I just got home right now. I'm trying to make a salad right now and chill and eat and relax. You get me? So I'm gonna make it with you guys. So guys, this is the final procedure. I just added a bit of olive oil and pasta spice, and I'm gonna add some noodle obviously, and dinner it's served. Okay.
We're gonna get right into it. This was a really good question. So, are y'all going to help a family for Christmas this year, or do any giveaways?
Guys, this was too good. Oh my god. I could lick it right now and make it clean. Wash it with my tongue, but
What's good, guys? But yeah, look outside. It looks so beautiful.
You see the snow in the trees? 1, 2, 3. Whoa! Oh!
He's like, what the heck did you do?
Slow it down. Makes it better. Savy, you wanna go on your swing?
Your swing, baby?
Daddy gonna put you on your swing. Come on, you ready, Savy? Go, Sean. Savy about to swing away. Let's go.
Go, Savy. Go, Savy.
Go, Savy. Go, Savy.
Go. 'Cause I can fuck with anybody, and I wanna go.
Yo, it's PFA Duraso. What happened?
It means
2,000 years later. Chilling outside by the pool. Yeah. How vlogging?
Ramira say.
Yo, this
Bukupige ne. I can bukula down.
Seven Blairy.
Yo guys, when last did you guys see me? I think it's like 2 weeks ago. Guys, life hasn't been lifing, and as for us content creators, it's not easy at all. It's not easy at all. Tough time at work, no rest, unable to have time to create content. It has been another story. I wasn't even on the braids. I'm from the salon. I went to do my nails. I'm about to eat right now. I bought pap and steak. After eating, I want to pack my bags and close off this vlog because I'm traveling to Rustenburg, like Christmas family time. So my family, my parents, my sister, my brother, and my nephew and my niece, they traveled all the way from Northern Cape to spend Christmas this side. So they arrived at 2 a.m. today. So I'm forced to pack now and go. Today, honestly speaking, Christmas, I wasn't planning to do anything because I'm physically and mentally tired. Like, I can't wait for this year to finish. But I have to pack and go enjoy with my family. Ish. So I just grabbed a takeaway, guys, because I'm so hungry. I don't even know. You see how it looks like? Pap, steak, and chakalak and beetroot. So I have to go. They've been calling me since K7. Now go and I'm cuddling. I am not even planning to wake up. And from there, I'm from the salon right now. So guys, this pap is not papping. I can cook pap better than these people, but what can I say because I'm so hungry. So from here, I want to pack and close off the vlog. Hunger is striking. What the fuck? So guys, I'm packing. I'm done eating. Yeah, so that we can go because it's getting late. So this is my makeup bag. Let me check if everything is inside before I go there and scream. What? Yeah, hopefully everything is in here. This makeup bag is messed up, guys. It's really messed up. Once ati now, like people who want boobs, I don't know why they want boobs. Guys, it's not like I'm overpacking. Some of my things here, I'm gonna do the laundry when I get. I wanna do the laundry when I get there because now I'm lazy, my body, guys. I think I haven't done my laundry in a longest time. When I travel or when I attend events, I just keep on buying new clothes. I wear something once and I throw it. So, guess I'm gonna do my laundry when I get home because there's washing machine there and mina anginayo washing machine. Washing machine mina anginayo. So I'm gonna go to Mikey's place and put my toiletry in here because everything is at his place. Oh, my costumes and my underwears, everything all done. Everything all done. Yes. Sure. I'm in. Peggy. I'm waiting for my Uber, so I might as well close off the vlog here and start another one. Thank you guys so much for being patient with me, for watching till this far. Yeah. See you guys on my next episode. And love you guys so much. Kindly like, share, comment, and subscribe. And see you on my next vlog. Bye guys.